Welcome guys, let's start with question number 7 of exercise 13.1 surface areas and volumes. What does the question say is, read out the question. Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. That means there is a sweet stall and it sells the sweets, and for selling the sweets cardboard boxes are required, means मिठाई के डब्बे, and two sizes of boxes were required. दो तरीके के boxes चाहिए, एक बड़ा और एक छोटा box, and the bigger of dimensions are given and smaller of dimension. That means dimensions are given for the bigger box and also for the smaller box, that is in the shape of a cuboid. Both the boxes are, but one is bigger in size and other one is the smaller in size. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. That means मिठाई का जो डब्बा होता है उसमें एक डब्बा ऊपर होता है, एक नीचे. ऊपर वाला डब्बा नीचे पर ओवरलैप करता है, दैट इज़ द एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट. और जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया है उसका 5% एक्स्ट्रा. विल फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया फर्स्ट, देन द 5% ऑफ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. इफ़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज़ रुपीज़ 4 फॉर 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर के लिए 4 रुपये कॉस्ट है, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सप्लाइंग 250 बॉक्सेस ऑफ ईच काइंड. Now we will solve the further. As we have read out the question, now we'll start with the solution of the given question. As I have drawn two boxes, one bigger in size and other smaller in size, and as per the dimensions given I have labeled. Length of bigger box smaller 25 cm, breadth small b 20 cm and height small h 5 cm. सिंस कार्डबोर्ड से हमें बॉक्सेस बनाने हैं तो पूरा कार्डबोर्ड लगेगा. इसलिए विल कैलकुलेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ बिगर बॉक्स, विच इज़ द फॉर्मूला फॉर टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज ऑफ LBH in the given formula, and now we'll solve it using simple mathematics. On multiplying we'll get 500 plus 100 plus 125. On adding these we'll get a 2 multiply 725, which will give us a 1450 centimeter square. We have calculated the total surface area of the bigger box. Now we'll do the same for the smaller box, or either you can calculate 5% here and add. Now for smaller box, length L dash 15 centimeter, breadth B dash 12 centimeter, height H dash 5 centimeter. Now similarly we'll find the total surface area of the smaller box. The formula remains the same but symbols are different, as I have taken the symbol LBH in the previous. Now I will substitute the values as given for the smaller boxes and then we'll solve it. Now we will put the dimensions of the smaller boxes which are given in the question, and on multiplying we'll get 2 multiply 180 plus 60 plus 75. We'll add this and we'll get a 2 multiply 315, which gives us a 630 centimeter square is the total surface area of the smaller box, and we have also calculated the total surface area of the bigger box. Now we will calculate the total surface area, which is the sum of total surface area of bigger box, which we have calculated, and also the total surface area of the smaller box, we have also calculated that. So total surface area is total surface area of smaller box plus total surface area of the bigger box. हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because we need to find the कितना total कार्डबोर्ड रखा है. We'll put these values 630 plus 1450, and on adding we'll get a 2080 centimeter square. And since in question it is given that for overlap 5% of total surface area is extra required, and total surface area is total surface area we have calculated, so we'll calculate its 5% by simply our mathematics. To replace percent we'll divide by 100, and instead of we'll put a multiplication sign. You can either do it by calculating separately for first box, that is bigger and smaller box, then add it. So we have calculated and we have got 5% as 104 centimeter square. Now we'll calculate the total cardboard required for making the one boxes of each kind. And how we'll do? We'll add the total surface area and the 5% extra, which is we have calculated earlier. What are the values? These are 2080 plus 104 extra, which on adding gives 2184 centimeter square is total cardboard required to make one boxes of each kind. Now we have in question 250 boxes are given, so we will calculate the same thing for 250 boxes, that is total cardboard required to make 250 boxes of each kind, and we'll multiply it with the one box cardboard required. Why we have done? Simply I have told in earlier videos that one pen costs rupees 2. Then how much is the cost of 4 pens? 4 multiplied to 8 will multiply 280 with 250 with 2184, which gives us a given value, and we have put that. Now given is the cost of 1000 centimeter square cardboard. What is that cost? Rupees 4. Rupees 4 is the cost given for 1000 centimeter square cardboard required. Now using unitary method, first we will find for 1 centimeter square cardboard's cost, and then for the given area's cardboard cost. So by unitary method, cost of 1 centimeter square 4 upon 1000. So cost of given according to given description, we'll have calculated the total cardboard required. For it, we'll multiply it by solving using unitary method, and 0 will cancel out, and what we'll get a 2184 centimeter 2184 rupees for the cardboard required. Therefore cost of required cardboard is 2184 rupees. Thanks for watching the video. To like, share, subscribe and comment on my